Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows cannot initialize the device driver for this hardware code 37, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the driver. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options, click on Option Updates, and if any option updates are present, then install them. So this will update all the drivers, and if it is about a specific driver, then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Now in the Device Manager window, expand the list for that driver. Let's say it's the camera driver. Right click on it and select Update Driver, search automatically for drivers. Then you can right click on it and select uninstall device if you wish to reinstall it, and select uninstall device. Now the camera drivers are gone. Click on action, scan for hardware changes, and the camera drivers are back. The last solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.